6,000 feet elevation, 25-minute moto. The whole moto was solid.
It's so hard to hold on and skip those whoops every lap.
Good.
They're so big. And they're so good, like they're so good that you can do it. I wish you were worse at building them.
Well, that's why I give you an easy set.
That's not easy either. Placing your front wheel the first time is so difficult.
Yeah, I could. You want me to back drag the first one? Okay.
Hey, Josh just built this thing, dude. Be careful.